Welcome back to CryptoQ, where we talk everything about cryptocurrency. If you're not already subscribed, consider subscribing to the channel and click the notification bell to get notified every time we upload a video. Warning: if your risk tolerance is not high, kindly click off this video. This video is only for entertainment and education purposes only. Now let's get down to it. I came across this platform called BitBank. You'll find the link in the description box below. It claims to use a bot to trade your cryptocurrency on a daily basis profitably. So some of you may be wondering if I've tried the platform myself, and the answer is yes. It was an experiment and I started converting some of my crypto into Tron, $50 worth of Tron to be specific, on Binance, and transferred it to BitBank. Chose a trade on the section and chose the daily one and did that for about 5 days. To be honest, I received my earnings and I was able to withdraw the crypto to my Binance wallet very easily. Since then, I've not invested again, but I'm honestly thinking about it. Let me know in the comment section below what you think of BitBank and if you've had any experience with the platform. So when you log into the platform, this is what it looks like. And as you can see, there are many features on the platform, from convert, BBT, which is their token. There's news, partner, game, and order. Personally, I've only explored the earn section over here. And as you can see, there are different cryptos that you can earn with: USDT, BBT, which is their token, Ethereum, Bitcoin, BNB, and Tron, right? And they all have different percentages when it comes to the income. The most being their token, BBT. As you can see, in 1 day, you're getting 0.5 to 0.8%. 15 days, 15 to 18%, 30 days, 36 to 42, and so on, all the way up to 240 days, 480 to 528%. I personally used this Tron one, like I said earlier, right? There's 1 day, 0.4%. I didn't want to commit because I wanted to see firsthand what's going to happen, so I used the 1 day. And as you can see, the minimum commission amount is 50 Tron. So that's the minimum you can invest in this package over here. But I'm considering on trying the 15 days. So that's 2,000 Tron, and roughly that's about $110 worth of Tron. So 15 days, you're probably getting $10 to $12 for 15 days of the investment. Invest with caution if you're planning on trying this platform out, but currently they're paying out. You might not be able to withdraw in the future. I do not know. All I know is for right now, they're currently cashing out. If you're planning on doing it, I guess you can go ahead, but just know it's a risk. I've seen some events being held in different countries like Uganda, I think Thailand as well. I've been seeing some pictures of people promoting BitBank, having BitBank events. So it seems like a legit platform, but I don't know, man. I still have to do some more research. If you guys want me to come back with more information, maybe in regards to the investment that I'm about to do, you can let me know. And I'm definitely going to look into this further and come back with more information. So if you found any value in this content today, definitely give the video a thumbs up. Drop some comments in the comment section below. Till next time.